So you kind of knew always you wanted to move into industry. How did you know what are the skills that you need to be competitive as a data scientist? And as I understood, you also really tried to hone in and build these skills during your PhD. Can you take us a little bit into that process? Because I think that's really interesting to understand how you steered your own project in order to gain skills that make you actually competitive.
Data scientist as a job title was still fairly new, like 5 years ago when I started thinking about this. And there was like sort of also a misconception among my peers that we cannot be data scientists because data science is for computer scientists. So nobody from my program had gone and become a data scientist, basically. So that was like a new thing. But I was looking at the job listings. That was like the main thing I did. I went on LinkedIn and I searched for the jobs and I was looking at health data science or something like that, put in the keywords, and I was looking at like the requirements. And then most of them was like, I have that. I have that. I have that. Okay, this one I don't have. This one I could learn. But like a lot of it already aligned on what I'm doing. So I was like, well, why not? Why can't I do this? Like it's just that in my lab, they did not like have a lot of experience with the overlap with computer science. I went to my PI and I said like, can I take these courses? I saw they offer these and like I was like, can I take these? Then I was like really taking all these additional courses. I also had to build a lot stronger math background than I had. I went back to college level math. I took like multivariate calculus, linear algebra. I went to the computer science department and I took ML courses, data science, Python. Yeah, I think I was lucky in that my PI let me do that, but he saw like, okay, yeah, these could be like valuable skills. I'll let you take it. And then from then on, when it came to like thinking of our own dissertation, end of year 2, I was like, well, why don't I build this to my dissertation? Because that's going to force me to really properly learn it and have like actual experience doing this work.